Tired of the same old financial struggles? It might be time to reprogram your mindset. We've all heard the excuses. I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money, or I'm not smart enough. Truth is, these are just limiting beliefs holding you back. Let's break down the habits that separate the wealthy from the broke and discover how to shift your mindset for financial success. First off, broke people are glued to the TV, while the rich are immersed in books. How many hours do you spend zoning out versus expanding your mind? It's a stark contrast. Secondly, broke folks trade time for money, while the rich create value. Think about it. A McDonald's employee might be the best floor cleaner, but their income is capped. Successful entrepreneurs, on the other hand, are rewarded for results, not hours clocked in. Thirdly, the broke blame everyone but themselves. Economic conditions, bosses, neighbors. It's always someone else's fault. The wealthy, they own their failures and leverage that knowledge for growth. Remember, blaming others won't change your circumstances, but taking responsibility empowers you. Fourth, saving is a broke person's focus, while investing is the rich person's game. Small savings won't make you wealthy. It's about growing your money through smart investments. Fifth, broke people think they know everything, while the rich are always learning. Humility and curiosity are traits of the wealthy. They seek knowledge constantly, while others cling to opinions. Sixth, broke people see money as evil, while the rich see its potential. Money is a tool, not a moral compass. It's the lack of money that breeds desperation and crime, not the money itself. Finally, broke people chase get-rich-quick schemes, while the rich build empires. Lottery tickets and wishful thinking won't cut it. Real success comes from hard work, strategic planning, and consistent action. So, there you have it. 7 key differences between broke and wealthy mindsets. Which side are you on?